Hello my dear students, I am your computer teacher. I hope all of you are safe and fine. This is the next video of lesson 4 of class 8. Open page number 40. In the last video we have completed discussion up to page number 39. Let us start. Adding records. To add a new record. You can add a new record to a table in three ways. We can add a new record in a table in three ways. Select the new command on the home tab in the records group. We can add a new record by selecting the new command on the home tab in the records group, or on the record navigation bar at the bottom of the access window, click the new blank record button. On the record navigation bar at the bottom of the access window, you can click on the new blank record button, or simply start typing in the record below the last added record, or by start typing in the row below the last added record. To save a record, select the home tab and locate the records group. To save a record, we have to select the home tab and locate the records group. Click on the save command. Then you have to click on the save command. Editing records in a table. After entering data in a table, sometimes it is required to make changes in the database. After entering data in a table, maybe sometimes we require to make changes in the database. This can be done in various ways. We can do it in various ways, like to add a record directly, scroll through the records or use the record navigation buttons to find the record to edit. To edit a record directly, we have to scroll through the records or use the record navigation button to find the record which you want to edit. Double click the cell where you want to make changes. Then we have to double click on the cell where we want to make the changes. Type the information into the field. Then you have to type the information into the field. A pencil icon appears to indicate the edit mode. Then a pencil icon will come up to indicate the edit mode. Click outside the record to apply the change. Then you have to click outside the record to apply that change. Adding a field. Open a table in database view. You have to open a table first in the database view. Right click on the drop down arrow of the field where you want to insert a field. Then you have to right click on the drop down arrow of the field where you want to insert the table. The context menu appears. Then the context menu will appear. Select the insert field option. Then you have to click on the select. Then you have to select the insert field option. The new field named as field 1 will be inserted before the selected field. Then the new field named as field 1 will be inserted before the selected field. Deleting a field. To delete the column, follow the steps given below. To delete the column, you have to follow the steps given here. Select the column by clicking on the column header and press the delete key, or right click on the column and select the delete field option from the context menu. We can delete a column by, first of all we have to select that column which we want to delete. Then we have to click on the column header and press the delete key. Or we can delete a column by right clicking on the column and then we have to select the delete field option from the context menu. Open page number 41. A dialog box appears asking for your confirmation. Then a dialog box will appear asking the confirmation. Click yes to confirm the deletion. Then you have to click yes to confirm the delete process. Click no if you want to cancel the deletion. If you want to cancel the delete process, then you have to click no. Here is a note given. This is important. Likewise, by right clicking on the particular field, you can hide or unhide the field. In the same way, by right clicking on the particular field, we can hide or unhide that field. Here is a knowledge bit given. It is also important. A field property is an attribute that defines the field's appearance or behavior within a database. The field property is an attribute which defines the field appearance or field's appearance or behavior in that database. This is also important. A field name can have up to 64 characters including spaces. A field name can have up to 64 characters including space. Moving a field. Open the table in datasheet view. You have to open the table in datasheet view. Select the field header. Then you have to select the field header. Click and drop the field to the desired location. Then you have to click and drag that field to the desired location. While dragging, you will find a dark line appearing between the fields. While dragging, you can find a dark line appearing between the fields. This indicates the position where the field will be placed. That indicates the position where the field will be placed. As you release the mouse button, the selected field will be placed at the new location. When we release the mouse button, the selected field will be placed at the new location. Adding a new row. Select the table in navigation pane. To add a new row, you have to first select the table in navigation pane. Click the view button available on the home tab and select the design view option from the drop down menu. Then you have to click on the view button which is available on the home tab. Then you have to select the design view option from the drop down menu. The table will open in design view. Then the table will open in the design view. Place the cursor on the field before which you intend to add a new field. Then you have to place the cursor on the field before which we want to add a new field. On the design tab, select the insert rows option in the tools group. Then you have to select the insert rows option of the tools group on the design tab. A new blank row is inserted before the selected row. Then a new blank row will get inserted before the selected row. Define the name, data type and properties for the field. Then you have to give the name, data type and properties for that field. Here is a knowledge bit given. This is important. To go to a specific record in datasheet view, press Alt plus F5 key. To go to a specific record in a datasheet view, we have to press the alternate key and F5 key together. The cursor will appear in the current record box. Then the cursor will appear in the current record box. Type the record number and press the enter key. Then you have to type the record number and you have to press the enter key. So in this video, up to here only, we will discuss the remaining part of the lesson in the next video. I hope all of you have understand. Thank you.